Here I have Realme 9, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and when you're in a normal photo mode, just hold down shutter button, and after that burst shot will start. So let me show you. I'll just hold down shutter button and move my camera, and as you can see right now I took like 20 shots, and here we can review all these burst shots just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.